Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Hakaway nagajingyo kurop drug bashir kay kipulit kay East Khasi Hills. Hakas ngi palay kila yoban kem nga saungot kibriw. Bagantop ya arngot kikintay. Nakadong lumso po kabadon halo mau prem shilong. Bat kila kurop yo drug heroin badon. Arspa anriw pra pon hinyo iway gram. Bat kapisa kaba. Henriw lak trapunyo hajar shispa san podingka. Haba pentip ya kaniyo SP ke East Khasi Hills u Dr. MG Raghavendra Kumar. Hagas ngi to diyeng loong bahinin kasngi kipulit ka ANTF kilayo kurup shwa henribu program u drug heroin mat hadiyan kata kila kurup sa arspa henribu pra panhinyo iway gram nakaway kayeng kabadan halom sopho haluwa mau prem uloong banalor u drug bat kapisa la kurup ru ya henyo tali ki mobile phone henrib ho tali ki thernya inject bat kiway Nagaliang DGP Kajalaw Dr. LR Bishnoy uloong bakat kum ki kendon jongkaan NDPS Act kajing pensaja yung ginong kayi drug kalongkat kum kajing yok kurup drug. Lada kajing yok kurup drug heroin na uno-uno ubriw kalong palat ya arspa san program kajing pensaja kalong begitu kiba syakem kinhap syang petong na kabenta arpos nem.
With the operations with the ANTF team of Shillong, yesterday 2 operations were conducted. In one of the earlier operations, the seizure was 68 grams. That was in the afternoon. And in further continuation of the operation, the last night it was the operation concluded in the late night. The team raided in the area of Lower Moprem, Lumsopo, Shillong, and the seizure is as follows: 20 soap box cases, 20 vials containing heroin of total weight of 268.71 grams, and 7 number of mobile phones were seized. A cash of 6,87,150 has been seized. 25 empty vials, 60 syringes from the possession of 2 male and 2 female, out of which, as DG sir mentioned, one of the lady is a nursing mother. So all the 4 people have been arrested and the case is under further investigation. Thank you.
Secondly, I would like to point out that in recent seizure, a lot of syringes are recovered. This indicates that injectable heroin users are increasing in Ceylon. And that is very dangerous because it may cause AIDS also. So, in every raid, invariably 40 to 50 to 60 syringes are also. So, this is real cause of concern for all of us.
58 grams. Arrested, 1 person arrested, and from his possession, 5 soap boxes of heroin weighing 66.46 grams were seized, 2 mobile phones seized. Also, one Hyundai Eon car also has been seized in this connection. This was caught near the back gate of KHADC office, Moprem area. Again, it is also Lower Moprem, Shillong.
When was it? As per NDPS, narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances are categorized in 3 categories. That is a small quantity, commercial quantity, and in-between quantity. For example, heroin, if the seizure is 5 gram or less, then it is a small quantity. If it is a 250 gram or more, then it is a commercial quantity, and in between seizure is there. Because punishment varies from depending on the seizures of the quantity. For example, in the small quantity, the maximum punishment is 1 year only. In the in-between quantity, it is 10 years, and in the case of commercial quantity, it is a 20 years. So yesterday night we have conducted very good operation and we have seized 270 gram of heroin and we have recovered nearly 7 lakh rupees cash and also arrested 4 persons. So that will be the commercial quantity. They will be booked under different section because for commercial quantity section is different.